Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we studied about an action song. I did actions of each and every sentence of the song. Even my kids did yesterday action song. After that we studied about rhyming words, and there is another question here. What is that question? Look and say. What is that question? Look and say. Which are these words? These all words are parts of our body, which is given in blue color. They are what? They are parts of our body. And here question is given is read the words and show the proper body part. काय करायचे आपल्याला हे शब्द वाचायचे आणि we have to read those words and then we have to show the proper body part, which body part it is. Okay, now first one is face. What is first word? Face. F-A-C-E. Face. When we speak about face, where is your face? Here is your face. This is your face. This round part which is there on your, which is seen or which speaks, correct or not? Or then which has sensory organs, correct or not? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue. It is what? Face. Right. Second word is head. Where is your head now? What is spelling of head? H-E-A-D. Head. This is your head. Where is your head? Here it is. This is what? H-E-A-D. Head. Next one is hair. What is spelling of hair? H-A-I-R. Hair. Hair म्हणजे काय? केस. Hair म्हणजे काय? केस. Next one is nose. Spelling of nose is what? N-O-S-E. Nose. Now where is this part of your body? Here it is. This is your nose, correct? It has two nostrils and it is called what? It is called nose. Right? Which all we studied? We studied about face, head, hair, correct? Nose. Fifth one is chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Where is your chin? This is your chin. Understood? Chin. After that is sixth one, cheeks. C-H-E-E-K-S. Cheeks. Where do you have cheeks? My cheeks are not that visible, but these are your cheeks. Understood? Chin, cheeks. Chin, cheeks. Okay. Next one is mouth. This is your mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. After mouth is teeth. Where do you have teeth? We have 32 teeth. Okay, and one means what? It is tooth, and many teeth. Okay. Next one is tongue. This is your what? Tongue. Ninth one, T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Next one is ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Where do you have ears? These are your ears, right? After ears is lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. And the last one is eyes. These are your eyes. You have two eyes. In this way we have studied how many parts of body? 12 parts of body. Face, head, hair, black color hair, nose, chin, cheeks. Both side you have what? Cheeks. Mouth, correct? Mouth, teeth. After teeth is tongue, ears, lips, and last one is eyes. In this way, we have studied how many parts of our body? We have studied 12 parts of our body. And you should know, if I will ask you students, where is your chin? Then you should be able to tell me, ma'am, my chin is here. Where are your cheeks? You have to say your cheeks are there, correct? Where are your eyes? Then you should be able to tell this. Tongue, teeth, lips, hair, head, ears, understood? Neck, then you should be able to tell neck. In this way, you have to learn spellings of all these words, correct? F-A-C-E, face, H-E-A-D, head, H-A-I-R, hair, N-O-S-E, nose, C-H-I-N, chin, C-H-E-E-K-S, cheeks, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth, T-O-N-G-U-E, E-A-R-S, ears, L-I-P-S, lips, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Understood? In this way, you have to learn how many parts of body? You have to learn 12 parts of body with spellings. Okay. Now, next question which is given here is question number 5. Copy the words in your word file. Draw and label suitable pictures of them. Now, you have to draw pictures of these all words. You are able to draw? Now, face is not possible. Head is not possible. Hair you can draw something like this. Correct? Nose you can draw something like this. Chin you can draw something like this. Mouth, teeth you can draw like this something. Tongue, ears, lips, these are your lips, eyes, these are your eyes. In this way, whatever parts of body you will able to draw, please draw those parts of body in question number 5. And then in this way, we have completed our action song. What? Okay, action song which is totally based on what? It is based on our body parts, correct? On jump, for jumping we need our legs. For clapping hands, for clapping we need our hands. Correct? Close your eyes, shut your eyes. We need our hands, fingers. We shut our eyes, we pull our nose, correct? We touch our head, we touch our toes. So, in this way, we have completed our action song with all question answers, and I will give you question answers of workbook in on WhatsApp group, okay? From WhatsApp group, you have to complete your workbook. Understood? I think so you have understood what you have to do. Remaining or then second lesson, Sunny and Mini, that we will study in tomorrow's period, okay? Thank you.